Biochar is made through high-temperature pyrolysis of organic matter and has good carbon sequestration capabilities. It is widely used in soil improvement and carbon emission reduction, and is an important tool to combat climate change. Activated carbon plays an irreplaceable role in air purification, water treatment, and industrial adsorption. Carbon black is carbon powder obtained from the incomplete combustion of oil or natural gas and is commonly used in rubber, coatings, batteries, and other fields. Graphite, as a natural or synthetic material, has excellent electrical conductivity and high temperature resistance, and is widely used in batteries, electrodes, and lubricants. Graphene is the thinnest carbon material, but it has extremely strong electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and mechanical strength. It has become a popular research object in the fields of electronics, energy, and nanotechnology. Beston can help you obtain carbon black and biochar, two types of carbon materials. This is achieved by purchasing pyrolysis equipment for recycling tires and plastics, and purchasing carbonization equipment for recycling biomass to generate biochar.